Hi, I'm Darius, welcome to Spain. Join me today to visit beautiful villa on Ramblas golf course in Orihuela Costa, Costa Blanca, Spain. The house has got 4 bedrooms and 137 square meters of build, of useful area, and 388 square meters of the plot. So we start with the pool with beautiful view. You've got your own fruit trees. That's the fig tree. We've got a little passage on the other side, but unfortunately we've got the guard here, which is not included in the price. And here we've got some chill out area with barbecue. We just need some guests and drinks and we can chill out now. Here you can park 2 cars, and also you can chill out or hide from the sun. You've got plenty of space for your children or grandchildren or friends. You can relax here and soak up the sun. And here you've got the living room, spacious living room with dining area, nice view, the swimming pool. Fully equipped kitchen, where you can cook whatever you like. Fully functional fireplace. And central gas heating, upstairs and down. Here we've got the bedroom with built-in wardrobes, the bathroom, and here we've got the office. The air conditioning in every room as well, heating and cooling. So you've got 2 ways of heating and 1 way of cooling. Let's go! And here you've got master bedroom with nice view as well. Built-in wardrobes, so you've got plenty of space. And in my opinion, the best bathroom ever, with your own balcony and this view. And here we've got a little bedroom as well, so this is like for children's, but you can have office here or wardrobe, whatever you like. Also, it's got its own bathroom. So if you like this house, if you like Spain, if you are thinking about investing in this beautiful country, follow this channel and text me on WhatsApp number you can find in my profile. See you in Spain. Hasta la vista.